guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be explaining or introducing you to Chainlink. So you probably have heard of it or you are just hearing it for the first time. So Chainlink is an Oracle service provider or is an infrastructure that provides Oracle services around the EVM space. And with Chainlink oracles, you can have access to price feed. You can have access to randomness. We know how difficult it is to generate random numbers in the blockchain space. You don't have to think about that anymore. Chainlink services, Chainlink randomness provides that for you. And with Chainlink price feed, you can fetch price feed. You can get different price conversions and all that. And then Chainlink also have other features that you can also check out on their platform. So in subsequent videos, I am going to show you how to work with the Chainlink randomness, the Chainlink price feed and all of that, and some other features available on Chainlink. So I hope you have enjoyed this introduction to Chainlink, and if you have any questions, please do it to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and drop your comments in the comment section, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.